Here is a super quick tutorial on how I made this adorable little stop motion video on the living room floor with just my iPhone, a pair of headphones, and my new favorite overhead tripod. So let's get into it. I am using the Lapse app and I'm shooting at 2x, so zoomed in, and I am first locking the exposure, white balance, and focus. Then I'm turning on the grid to make sure things are aligned like I want them to be. And then I'm clearing the scene and I'm ready to animate. I am taking a photo and then moving the backpack in a little bit. Taking a photo, moving the backpack. This is sped up as a time lapse just so you don't get too bored. I am now animating the sweatshirt coming in, and you can see there's a light layer of the previous photo. This is the ghost feature, so it's showing me a light layer of the photo I just took, and this just helps me see kind of how quickly my items are moving, and I can keep the spacing consistent. So I'm just animating these things going into the backpack one by one. I'm using the volume button on my headphones, which are plugged into the phone, and that is how I click the shutter. And I just move things little by little, and I make sure to get fully out of frame when I take each photo. This app makes it super easy. And the pacifier is the last thing to go into the backpack. Then I zip it up and I'm done shooting. So now it's time to edit, all within the app. First, I'm just adjusting the speed, watching it play through. Oh, it already looks so cute. Oh, I'm noticing a couple pauses where I accidentally took two photos without moving the items in between. So I'm just scrubbing through the timeline tab to find where those double photos are. And then I'm clicking that photo and choosing delete, just so I don't have a duplicate. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm adjusting the brightness, just making sure it looks how I want it to. And there we go, that looks good. And now I am downloading the video. Download as a 4K video, and here is the final product. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this.